Here's another way to
is
fix a broken nail.
A thin fabric that you can use. It's more transparent when you get ready to put the resin on. And then we have linen. Linen is more so, I would look at it like as like a washcloth, because that's kind of how thick it is. And when you're ready to cut it, it won't shed as easily. And it's thicker and bulkier. I prefer to use fiberglass. So, seeing how we don't actually have a nail to repair, I'm gonna poke a hole in this nail to make it look like, you know, it needs to be repaired. So first step, we will buff it, smooth it down a little bit. Then our book tells us that our fabric is supposed to be 1/16 smaller than the nail, so you won't have to like really measure. Just make sure it's a little smaller than the nail. You want it to cover the whole entire crack and a little bit of the nail. Let's see. Just cut a little bit. I'm trying to do it the correct way, because normally I would have just picked this with my hands. And I forgot the tape on the back. When you get ready to take off your fabric, use the sticky side to lay it down on where your repair needs to be at. See, it'll just stick without anything on it. Then we'll use our resin. Our fake resin. Put it everywhere. Then we'll use our accelerator. And when you do this, this is the same stuff that you will use for like a dip. So what is it? Is it called activator? It's called, I think it's called activator, yeah. And it helps it dry faster. So you can use that too. Anything that says it dries glue is accelerator. Just got a different name. Put it on there. Let the shininess go away, and it still stinks.
It definitely does.
It's sticking to me a little bit. Now, we don't have to let it completely dry, because remember, our accelerator helps our resin dry faster. So we're dry. Now, we're going to buff a little bit to help it blend. That way, when we get ready to apply our acrylic, you can't really tell too much, just something is on here, but we don't want to buff too much because we don't want to take it completely off. Okay, see? And now it's like, you can't even like really like bend it like that where we have majority of our fabric. Like, you know, like the tips are usually super flimsy. By now, I probably would have cracked it if I had like a regular one. You see how easy they bend? Like, this one is sturdy, really sturdy in the middle. So, that's it.